How to recover deleted Instagram photos, part 3. Number 7. After you call, where to receive to OTP after you call, where to receive the OTP, receive the OTP, enter in the field and tap confirm, enter in the field and tap confirm. This will this will buying the photo back, buying the photo back to your profile. You can register pictures, reels, and more this way, more this way, this way. On the other hand, on the other hand, if you need to taking something down from your many profile, need taking down, taking taking something down from your profile without completely deleting, completely deleting it. Take adver- take advantage of the Instagram. Take advantage of the Instagram passive features. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel latest news.